Vale. Bon dia. Presentar el Patrik Auda, donar-li la benvinguda. És un jugador que ja el vam mirar a la pretemporada i era un jugador que més o menys seguíem. Un jugador que tant pot fer, encara que sigui més un 4, pot fer una estona al 5 per la seva capacitat atlètica, per la seva caixa. Un jugador amb molta energia i un jugador d'aquests que sempre dic que ha volgut venir, que ha fet un esforç per sortir del seu equip i venir amb nosaltres. Esperem que ens doni energia, que ens pugui donar aquesta versatilitat del joc interior i joc una miqueta exterior i que ens ajudi sobretot amb el rebot, amb el tema defensiu i canviar una miqueta la dinàmica de l'equip.
Voy a hacer una pregunta.
Sí, buenos días, Pera.
Buenos días.
Dice que el club lleva tiempo siguiéndolo, ¿por qué no se ha podido traer hasta ahora?
Pues por lo que he explicado cada vez que he estado aquí, porque nosotros somos un club que el tema económico prima y no tenemos la capacidad de sacar jugadores que están con contrato en otros equipos y que están cobrando. La verdad es que sí que se quedan jugadores que puedes fichar cuando su equipo lleva más de 2 o 3 meses y por contrato se pueden ir, y hay algunos. Pero bueno, él es un jugador, pues eso, que hasta que su equipo no ha estado casi fuera o está fuera de los playoffs y no le han dejado salir y él ha hecho un esfuerzo, pues no lo hemos podido fichar. Hemos mirado otros jugadores y al final ha sido él el que nos ha dicho que sí.
I felt a little bit tired after a long night coming from Poland, but I was really excited. That was one thing I can say the most. Like I was really excited coming here, coming to Spain, to this city, and everything my first couple of days everything was great here. First practice didn't look like it's gonna be any difficult style of basketball. I think I would be able to adapt to everything quickly, and so far I'm really happy to be here. I know a couple guys from the Czech national team who play in this league, so I know just a little bit from them. I've never been in this league. I saw a couple games on TV, but to be here personally, like, it's gonna be totally different, so I don't really know exactly what to expect, but Spanish league is one of the best in Europe, so I don't think it's gonna be anything easy, but I'm just really excited for this opportunity, and I will do my best to help the team to win as many games as we can. Most of the time I play at the position 4. I probably feel most comfortable at this position, but last couple of years, my last team or even with the national team, sometimes I played at the 5 position when the coach wants to play faster, and have more guys to be able to switch every pick and roll. So I don't have problem with that. I can play probably both positions, and I don't know. It's one thing maybe what is outstanding maybe in my game, or what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to play with a lot of energy every game, just trying to make a presence of myself on the floor, help my teammates. I can play from the post, I can shoot from a long distance. I can bring the ball up the floor. So pretty much like a little little bit of everything. Like people who see some of my games, you see I do different things every game. So I think it's hard to name one thing, but I think I can do all these different things, whatever is needed for the team, or whatever the coach wants me to do. Because most of the numbers I wanted were taken. So 4 was I played with number 4 2 years ago for the Czech national team when we were playing the qualifications for the Eurobasket. So that's why I picked it.